Cap it.
Hi, my name is Hank Funk. I'm the founder and CEO of Cap It, the truck accessory stores located here in Langley, BC. You're looking at the most popular truck cap or canopy in Canada, the cornerstone of our business. With 22 stores across Western Canada, our Cap It brand is the most popular cap on the road, and the reason is simple. We sell the best truck cap you can buy. They're manufactured to our exacting specifications with the perfect fiberglass thickness, reinforced corners, and superior doors, windows, and hardware. They're finished with the finest paint and clear coat finishes available at the most advanced assembly plants in the world. Each cap is water tested and delivered to our store in a covered trailer. At our stores, the caps are installed and wired to your truck by our trained technicians. No one takes more pride in their truck canopies than we do. We demand superior quality, fit and finish, and that's why we have the best warranty in the business. At Cap It, every customer gets a detail and polishing kit, and each deluxe cap comes with a free headliner, which, with the warranty and detail kit, is a $299 value. It really is the best cap you can buy for the money. And at Cap It, you can customize your canopy with roof racks, pet guards, fishing rod holders, side opening windows, front sliding windows, and a contractor model with large rear doors, or special height canopies. We'll configure your canopy to fit whatever your lifestyle. And as with all our products and services at Cap It, we offer a no-hassle price, service, and satisfaction guarantee. So if you're looking for a canopy for your truck, look no further than your local Cap It store. For work or play, the best truck accessory stores in Canada.
Cap it.